Hello, beautiful people. This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel Consultancy and Classes. Welcome to the day 2 of manifesting with the universe. So, today let's see what I've brought it for you all. Today I am going to talk about how can we manifest with the universe. What is it that universe can listen more faster to us? What is the process? What we can do it with the universe? First thing, I just wanted to share with you all that whenever we want to ask anything from our mother or go back to your old days of your childhood and remember what we used to do it when we wanted anything from our parents. We always used to cry. We used to crib. We used to lie down on the floor and cry and ask for it. And end of the day, parents have to give us. They always used to fulfill our demands. Though we are grown up enough now, we cannot do those things with the universe now. But yes, universe listens to us more faster. For that, we have to make our goals more stronger. We have to be very firm with whatever we ask. Second thing, we need to keep a trust on the universe that he is definitely going to give us, because universe have abundance, universe have a lot, and universe will only give us what we ask for. Third thing, we need to have faith that yes, it is definitely going to fulfill and it is being heard and it is definitely going to come true. The fourth thing, we need to come on our knees and open our hands in front of the universe and ask for it. And the universe listens to that. Universe have to give us, that is for sure, and universe gives us. The last and foremost important thing is, when we ask, we don't have to limit our wish to only one particular area. We have to end our sentence by saying this or better, because God have always planned lot more better than what we ask for. Always remember that. So God gives us more than what we ask for it, and he has decided much more higher what we can ask for. So today, the second day of manifesting with the universe is that we are going to ask the universe. Let's begin up with the exercise with me. Close your eyes, open your palms, bend down on your knees, and ask the universe, what do you want it? Because universe is made by the God, and God is the one who is going to approve everything whatever we ask for, and the universe is the one who is going to get it to us. As I said, remember that God has always created much more better than what we ask for, because God wants to give us the best. So let's ask that and close our sentence by this or better. I know, universe, you are listening to me and you are going to give me the best. I am open to receive whatever is the best for me within 3 months down the line. What you have planned the best for me. Ask your wish in the bracket don't forget to ask your wish, and then 3 times we need to say thank you, thank you, thank you. The time, don't forget to give the time to the universe, because if we leave it open, it is going to come through any time. So we need to give the time to the universe. That is most important thing. So as I said, as I want something within 3 months down the line, whatever your time limit is, you can ask for. But remember one thing, it should be very much clear. Whatever you ask for, your desire, your wish should be very clear and to the point. It should not be confusing. It should not be 2 sentences mixing up. Otherwise, the universe will also get confused what exactly you're looking out for. So that's the reason we need to be very clear what we ask from the universe. And we need to give the time limit, time period also to the universe, for universe to work on our wish to come true as what we have asked for. So today what I have asked for, I will see within 3 months how things are coming in our way. It is not necessary exactly. Let's say for an example, if you have asked for 5 lakhs of rupees, but if you have not said this or better, and if you desire to get 10 lakhs but you have limited yourself to 5 lakhs of rupees, that means you are not open to receive what universe want to give you. So don't limit yourself. If you have said 5 lakhs, this or better, leave it to the universe. Maybe the universe wants to give you more. But remember one thing also, universe can give you in any form. Maybe your electricity monthly bill is reduced down to this month. Maybe you get a check which was pending from long back, now you have received it. Maybe you have received a huge discount what you have not asked for, but you were not expecting and you have got it. Maybe you have received a bulk amount together. Let's say you have received 3 months advance salary from your company. Maybe you have received your ancestral property which you have never expected to come your way now. So anything is possible. Just you need to be open to receive whatever the universe want to pass on to you. So just wait and watch. We are going to come up with day 3, manifesting with the universe. Again, wait for the next video coming up with manifesting with the universe series with Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani, your spiritual soul healer, taking you to the journey of spirituality and helping you to grow higher and higher in your spiritual level. For more details or to connect with me personally, my mobile number is 9420469858. You can always connect to me on the mobile number 9420469858. Thank you very much.